We just pulled up at Sonning Bridge to stop for coffee at the Bull. We successfully landed, but in mooring up we've lost the head of the hammer in the river. We've tried unsuccessfully to get it with the sticky thing they provide on the boat, and now Craig is going in to the river a la David Walliams to rescue the hammerhead. This is brought to you live by Thames Television. There's our...
Did you get that?
You're not treading on it, are you? Got to wait for the water to settle down now.
No, don't move about, Craig.
Yeah, don't move about because there'll be sharp things in there, needles and things like that. Give us a smile.
It's fucking cold.
Yeah.
I can't see it.
Let's turn this off for a moment. Put that in my pocket. So, just put your foot on that, Bob, can you? Thanks. Right.